So you guys might remember this. This is my free project mower I got from mulching up leaves. So as you can see, I have already got the deck off to where I was able to access underneath with the pulleys and stuff. I don't know if you can see that belt and pulley that was loose. I was able to reconnect one, and I was able to connect some of the wires that were disconnected in there. I was able to match them up, and as you can see, I also have the battery charger charging, and it does turn over when I fire it up, or when I turn the key anyways. It does start to turn over. So I've had it on the charge for about 30 minutes now. I think we're going to try and fire up. I also forgot to mention I did already connect the fuel line. I don't know. There you go. You guys can see that. And I've added a splash of gas in there. It does still have a slow fuel leak right there before the fuel filter. I believe that's the fuel filter. I'm still pretty new at all this, so I don't really know. And I cleaned out in there. There was a bunch of leaves and whatnot in there going around the exhaust pipes. I didn't want it to catch fire. So I'm going to set this camera up, and we're going to fire her up and see if she'll run. Alright, so as you guys can see, I had to come back outside. I pushed the mower back out back, and it's the next day. Pushed it out back because it was leaking gas from the carburetor. So today we're going to try and take the carburetor off and see if we can find a problem with it. Alright guys, so that mower had quite a good bit of problems. Obviously it was way beyond what I knew how to do, or what I thought I knew how to do anyways. I'm not very experienced with it, so it was supposed to be just kind of a learning thing, and you know, it was going to be winter time, it was cold, so it was a great time to try and learn how to fix stuff, because you know, as you guys know, that's a real good way of saving money in this business. But here's the thing about me. One, I absolutely hate the cold, and it was definitely cold in the garage, and also, so I keep the garage heated. Well, that mower was leaking gas pretty bad, so unfortunately I had to push it outside. So I pushed it outside where it sat for about a week before I was able to actually do anything to it. After further investigation and going out there and tinkering with it just a little bit to see what I could figure out on it, I came to the conclusion that it was beyond what I could do. So I ended up finding a guy. He bought it non-running as is for $100. So I got it free minus, you know, the 30 minutes of a quick little leaf cleanup. Well, here's the thing. So I work a full-time job still, so I do this on the side. I had a budget, and that was $500, which, as you guys will see when I think you may have already seen the leaf blower. I think I was at $550 is where I ended up starting for all my equipment, which click right here if you haven't seen that. So I still work a daytime job. I get off, I rush home, I load up, and I go mow as much as I can, whatever I can get done. I've got a bunch of leaf cleanups, which I'll get to that in a later video on how I got a bunch of leaf cleanups already. So time is of the essence of me, and so is money. It's just I don't have time to tinker with it as I'm picking up more work, and I just, like I said, I needed the money. You know, I can't spend money on I can't keep throwing money at something that's not going to work for me. Some things may look a little different in my surroundings when you guys are watching my videos, and that's because most of these videos were recorded back 6 months ago, and I'm just now doing like touch-up videos like this video right here to try and link them together and that kind of thing. So you'll have to bear with me. I have a lot more equipment to show you guys that I know you guys are going to absolutely love. So you may have already spotted some of it in the background. So there's going to be a lot of good videos coming. I've just got to get you guys there. I want you guys to see my path, my journey, and everything that I've done along the way to get to where I am now. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. See ya.